Is this cute? Or is this cuter? Hey guys, welcome to my first video. My name is Matilda and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do the Running Man shuffle, and I don't know what it's called, but I just call it side to side shuffle and double steps. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start with the easiest, and that's the Running Man, and it looks like this. So what you have to do is take up one leg in the air like this, and the leg that's in the air is gonna go in front of the other leg, and the leg that you stand on is gonna go back like that. So it's gonna look like this, and then the leg that's in front of the other leg is gonna go straight up like this, and the leg that's back is gonna go up. So it's gonna look like this. And then do the same thing but with this leg. So take this leg forward and then up with this leg. And do that faster and faster, and yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, so now it's time for double steps. And there's a double step with the front leg and the back leg. So we're just gonna start off with the front leg. It looks like this. Just like that. And what you have to do is that you should do the Running Man normally. And once you have the leg at the front, like this, we're gonna jump up with it like this. And then jump back normally. And then shuffle normally. And then you've got your double steps. Okay, so now we're gonna do the double step with the back leg, and it's gonna look like this. So what you have to do is just shuffle normally. And once you have the leg at the back, take that up like you normally would, and take that back again, and up and back, and then shuffle normally. So that's basically how you do it. Okay, so now it's time for the side to side shuffle, and it looks like this. It's a bit cooler than the Running Man, so I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So I'm gonna start with the right leg, and if you take the right leg, you're gonna take it to the left side like this, to the opposite side. So once you have that, you're gonna jump like this, and the opposite leg is gonna be up in the air. And now I have the left leg, and if you have the left leg, it's gonna go to the right side like this. And then up like that, down like that, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And if you do it faster, it's gonna look a little bit weird, but at the start, when you do this, it may not look that good, but when you do it a bit faster, it looks so cool. Okay, so now for the double steps in the side to side shuffle, there's actually just one type, and I think that's the back leg. I don't know, but it looks like this. So what you have to do is just shuffle normally, and when it's done like this or this, always the leg that is back is gonna go up. So like this. The leg that's back is gonna go up like this, and then it's gonna go back again and up. You can do this how many times you want, but I suggest you do like 2 or 3 times. I don't know, but yeah, it looks super cool. It's like you're upgrading the shuffle because it looks cooler than this. And this looks cool. Like this looks cool. So you upgrade it a bit like this. You can do it how many times you want. And it's the same like this side and this side because always the back leg is gonna go up and down. So let's go back. Okay, you guys, this was my shuffle tutorial. I know I don't talk that good English, but I'm trying, and I hope this helped because it may be hard to know how to shuffle just like, now I know how to shuffle. But I hope this helped a bit. If it did, like, subscribe, and comment, and then I love you forever in my life. But yeah, hope to see you guys in my next vid. Bye guys. Love you.